in real life, as other people have said, theater opens up your potential for taking up certain very special jobs in life. One example, one personal experience is when I was invited to take a solo film direction class to IIM Calcutta. I asked the people who invited me, they are all management students, what am I supposed to do? Why do you teach them filmmaking and all? I went there with so many misgivings, what I could do there. And they are, true management students, the type of people who come to IIM, get selections and all, brilliant students. And then what the director told me, who invited me, was, we know that theater is only way to teach them the whole management in life. The kind of, especially in filmmaking, I told them about drama, actual theater. They said, no, we want filmmaking, especially because filmmaking involves a large number of crew and a very forbidding logistics and all. And they tell me that very often wonder at the skill of a director who in a single shooting schedule manages nearly more than 300 or 400 people on the location. And they told me what better way to teach them management than filmmaking. It was an amazing experience for me, and they called me next year also, and I had a feedback that it opened up their eyes to the all nuances of management studies. And even the ethical dimensions, how you have to be very diplomatic, democratic, how you have to take care of all these people. And not only that, these children, these students, some of them realized that they had amazing musical composition skill, their musical composition. And some of them realized that they had that painterly taste in them, and because they provided the setting, the mise en scene, they painted that. And some of them went into directing. I made them direct their own plays and all, and some of them wrote scripts. So the way, when we put all these things together into a production, the way you make a child realize wherein exactly lies the child's potential, and I think that makes them more employable in their own areas.